Hello and welcome summer. My name is Marina of the Pleasantville Farmers Market. I'm back for another market moment. Today's recipe is tzatziki, the white sauce you get when you order souvlaki at a Greek restaurant. Ever wonder how it's made? Well, I'm going to show you. As with most market moment recipes, this one has simple ingredients, most of which you can get at the Pleasantville Farmers Market this time of year. The main ingredient is plain yogurt. I use this delicious yogurt from Chase Home Farm, a vendor at the market. To make a great tzatziki, you need to strain the yogurt first. I'm using a cheesecloth over a sieve. This is how it's been done for hundreds, if not thousands of years, before store-bought Greek yogurt became all the rage. And this is how I remember my mother making tzatziki growing up. For a thick and creamy tzatziki, strain 4 to 6 hours or as long as overnight. 32 ounces of plain yogurt yields about 1 cup of strained yogurt. You'll also need small cucumber, garlic, olive oil, lemon juice, dill, and pepper. Take your cucumber, peel it, cut it in half, and then seed it with a spoon. So your tzatziki isn't too watery, you need to drain your cucumber first. Grate your cucumber into a sieve over a bowl. Add some salt. Press it down with a fork and refrigerate it for 30 minutes. Mix all the ingredients together. You could even add olives for garnish. And here is your beautiful tzatziki. Tzatziki goes great with anything you like to barbecue. Burgers, chicken, pork, seafood like salmon. It even goes great with a green salad. Tzatziki is an excellent source of calcium, phytochemicals, and good bacteria. So for your next barbecue, make tzatziki. Thank you for joining me for this market moment. See you at the market.